Want earrings that will make people stop and ask, wait, are those real diamonds? I'm Gracie with WTI, and I'll never tell them. But I'm going to tell you guys, these are the Moissanite hoop earrings from N9NEMUSES, and these honestly give you that luxury look without the luxury price tag. The first thing I noticed is the amount of sparkle. You guys, just look at these. Each of these 5 beautifully round cut stones catch the light from every angle, giving you that eye-catching shimmer that's hard to ignore. So these are made out of 925 sterling silver and finished with 18 karat white gold plating. Just one look at these and you can instantly tell that they're high quality. They're about the size of a dime and they have a little dangle to them on my ears. They're super comfortable. The post just clicks in place. They feel very secure. I've never worried about them falling off. These are just so gorgeous. I've been wearing them on a daily. Plus, they come with everything you might need to give them as a gift, including a certificate of authenticity. More sparkle, more brilliance, and more affordable than diamonds. I mean, you just can't beat that, and that's my point of view.